Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write an application for absence. This is to inform your school or workplace about your inability to attend due to valid reasons such as illness, personal matters, or emergencies. You will begin your application by mentioning your name, address, and contact details at the top. Next, include the date on which you are writing the letter. Below that, address the recipient by their name, designation, and the name of the school or company. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your application, ensuring clarity from the start. Begin the letter with a respectful salutation, such as "Dear recipient's name," to maintain a formal tone. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request leave for number of days from start date to end date due to reason, illness, personal matters, family emergency, etc. I apologize for any inconvenience my absence may cause and will ensure that any pending tasks are managed accordingly. I would be grateful for your kind consideration of my request. Please let me know if you require any additional information. Thank you for your time and understanding. Sincerely, your name, your position, if applicable." Here's our sample application for absence. You'll notice how it clearly states the reason for your absence, the dates you'll be unavailable, and any necessary assurances regarding your responsibilities. It maintains a professional and respectful tone while keeping the request concise and to the point. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured application that effectively communicates your need for leave. This letter ensures that your request is considered seriously while demonstrating responsibility and professionalism. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on crafting formal letters.